Hi friends, welcome to Love with Sitara. Today we are going to learn some important vocabulary words from the editorial section of the Hindu newspaper. This will help you in the preparation of your competitive exam. So let's start. Our first word is the, which means to melt or soften relations. Next, theatric, which means dramatic or showy. Next, dignitary, which means an important official. Next, deviation, which means moving away from the normal. Next, convention, which means a traditional practice or meeting. Next, hostile, which means unfriendly or aggressive. Next, ambitious, which means having big goals. Next, legislative, which means related to making laws. Next, ramification, which means consequence or result. Next, regulator, which means authority that controls or monitors. Next, unilateralism, which means one sided action. Next, contention, which means argument or claim. Next, arbitration, which means settling disputes through a neutral person. Next, conciliation, which means resolving dispute by reducing tension. Next, cess, which means a tax. Next, divergent, which means different or opposite. Next, reform, which means to improve by changing. Next, enforce, which means to make people follow rules. Next, synchronize, which means to happen at the same time. Next, agitate, which means to disturb or protest. Follow for more such videos.